Yes, good morning everyone. Okay, this is Guider Alan. Okay guys, let me show you, let me introduce you a new Bitcoin exchanger wherein we can buy, sell, and trade your Bitcoins and any other cryptocurrencies po dito sa system na to. Alright, we used to use, di ba ginagamit natin is that coin.ph, popular is that coin.ph as our exchanger or where we can buy and sell Bitcoins, right? Now ngayon, meron po ako introduce sa'yo a game changer, which is a new Bitcoin exchanger, wherein we can buy, sell, and trade Bitcoins and any other cryptocurrencies. Alright? So, this is the Bitcoin exchange. Okay, let me start. Okay, so, di ba ang ginagamit natin, the usual ginagamit natin is this coin.ph. Right? So, wherein we buy Bitcoins here, we sell Bitcoins here, and another thing, pwede nating i-trade yung yung Bitcoin natin into Bitcoins. Alright? So, another thing na pinagkakakitaan natin dito is that referral link. So, just in case na nag-sign up ka, and then you're going to have a referral link, which is you can share this to your friends and relatives and other networks. Okay? So, share mo siya, and then after nun, hindi ba kapag nag-sign up sila doon, you have earnings na 24 pesos each sign-ups they do. Diba? So, that means nag-earn ka rin po doon. And I think we have 11 coin exchanger in the Philippines, and we have 350 coin exchanger around the world. And the usual the famous na ginagamit natin sa Philippines is this coin.ph. We have naman this Coinage, we have this BTC exchange, and we have this Buy Bitcoin. There are those are others na pwede natin gamitin as to buy and sell Bitcoins. All right. So now comes a new Bitcoin exchanger which we can buy, sell, and trade Bitcoins. All right. I'm calling this we call this game exchanger exchange muna. It is because it will be launched on December 18, 2 p.m. dun sa Holy Cross Jollibee sa Novaliches po. And hopefully makarating po kayo doon. And before na makapunta po sana kayo doon is let me know para at least ma-reserve ko po yung seat nyo or whatever, okay? I-reserve ko po yung slot nyo po. Alright? So ngayon, doon po sa system na game changer that is we can buy, we can sell, okay? We can trade, okay? Pwede natin i-trade yung Bitcoin. Another thing, we can trade yung mga other cryptos like we have Yocoin, we have Leocoin, we have Litecoin, we have Ethereum. So nandun po yung mga different cryptos wherein we can trade. Alright? And another thing, kagandahan nito is this. So, mas cheaper po yung charges niya. Okay, way back po dun sa coin.ph as I compute na just in case na nag-deposit ka or nag-cash in ka ng 5,000, ang madididak po or ang fees po nito is 3%. While dito po sa game changer na sinasabi namin, we call it game changer for now, okay, ang fees po is minimal lang. That is 0.025%. That is 2.5%. Alright, so mas minimal po siya, mas cheaper, and mas faster. So, yung po yung founder natin na mas maganda po na mas cheaper and mas mabilis po. Okay? Way back again sa coin.ph, hindi po ba just in case na nagpag-transact ka dito, nag-withdraw ka, meron siyang cut-off. Just in case na 10:01 mo na siya withdraw, tomorrow mo na po siya makukuha yung pera mo. Alright? And kung kung 12 a.m. up to 10 a.m., you can get this siguro around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 p.m. ng hapon. Right? So, medyo matagal po. So, siyempre naman, may mga emergency minsan tayong kailangan. So, mas mabilis, mas maganda. That's why we have this game changer that in case na i-transact mo siya and i-withdraw mo siya within 30 minutes to 1 hour, yung pera mo po is nasa bangko mo na po siya. And again, minimal lang po yung charges. That is 0.025%. If ever na bumaba pa doon, siyempre mas bababa pa siya. And another thing, pag tumaas naman, syempre tataas naman siya. But good thing is mas cheaper po siya at mas mabilis po yung game changer natin exchange. Alright? So, yung pangalan po niya to reveal on December 18, which is sa Holy Cross Jollibee Novaliches. Hopefully, makasama po kayo. And hopefully, let me know po, at least ma-reserve ko po yung slot niyo. Now, isa pong kitaan dito is aside from that, na naka-minus po tayo sa minimal charges niya, is this. Okay? Just in case po, na on your first level is meron kang 100 katao or whatever number of quantities or number of people you have in first level. Assuming lang meron kang 100 katao on your first level, this is your direct mo itong mga to. Now, Yung charges na, just in case, yung 5,000, meron siyang charges na 50 pesos. Yung 15% ng 50 pesos, it will go to your earnings. Alright? So, assuming na 15 pesos, 100 yung kinita mo each isang katao. So, 15% nun is 15 pesos. Multiply by 100 katao na nagka-cash in, nagka-cash out, whatever transaction he do in the system, meron kang 15%. Alright? On your first level, so 15 pesos times 100. Then you have, I think, that's 15 pesos, so 1,500. So, hindi na masama. What if nasa 200 katao yung tao mo, and the thing is hindi lang 5,000 or 20,000, 30,000 yung wini-withdraw nila or kinakash nila or whatever transaction they have, they trade in dun sa nagte-trade sila ng Leo coin, they trade Ethereum and whatever cryptocurrency. So, what's more kung ano yung earning mo dito. So, every time na mag-transact po ulit sila, again, every time na mag-transact yung mga tao mo on your first level, you get 15% of what they do, whatever transaction it is. Okay, on your second level, this is the invoice of your first level. Now, assuming na nagtatransact ng mga to, then you get paid by 9%. So, kunyari, 100 yung earnings mo, each one of them, 100 yung, yung charges na kinuha ni Game Changer. So, 15% is 15 pesos. Okay, dun sa 200 katao or 100 katao mo, you have 15 pesos each of them. 9%. That's 9 pesos each of them. Alright? On the third level, you have this third level at meron kang 200 katao doon. And then, yung 100 katao mo doon is kumikita yung, or nagbayad sila. Meron silang fees na 100 pesos sa Game Changer. Then, 6%, 6 pesos of those 200 will go to your earnings. Though, kunyari, 200 katao yon. So, 6 pesos times 200. So, 2 times 6 is 1,2. Hindi na masama. How much more kung mas marami po yung tao na ma-invite mo na nagtatransact kay Game Changer? So, meron kang 15% on your first level, 9% on your second level, 6% on your level. On your third level, I'm sorry. Okay, this is the Game Changer ahead. Again, guys, ang name po ng coin exchanger niya will be revealed on December 18, 2 p.m. at Jollibee Holy Cross WD Chess. And I'm going to post this and I'm going to do a Google Documents, Google Sheet, at least wherein you can fill up if makukonfirm po na pupunta po kayo by Jollibee, at least I can reserve you a slot. Thank you very much. See you around. See you po on Sunday. And this is Guider Alan signing out. Thank you.